In this video, I'll show you how to record audio using Canva for your projects. To start, open Canva and ensure your video is ready. When you're done editing your video, click on the Share button at the top, then select More and choose Present and Record. Click on this option and Canva will guide you to the recording studio. Next, you'll be prompted to add your camera and microphone. If you don't want to use your camera, simply select your microphone. Pick the best microphone for high quality audio. Once ready, click Start Recording and a countdown will begin. Now you can record your audio for the video. Once finished, click End Recording. Canva will take a moment to upload the audio. After the upload is complete, select Save and Exit. Your recorded audio will appear in the Uploads section. From there, drag your audio onto the video timeline, adjust it to match your video, and place it as needed. You can fine-tune the audio by adjusting the segments as shown. When you play back the video, your recorded audio will be synced perfectly. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.